Hey, how you doing? How you living? I hope something happened to you today that makes you smile. You smiling? I hope you smiling. Well, as it states in my title, this is what I did today was this look, and I shot my own stash. I felt like going shopping. I was off today, but I did not. I did not go shop. I went grocery shopping, and that was it. So I fulfilled my need by getting my little bin, my little plastic bin. And what I did was I started to fill this with items that I had not used, brand new items that I had not used, or items that I had not used in a long time. And this is the look that I came up with, okay? This is the look that I came up with, and I'm going to go through all of the items that I used, tell you if I liked them, if I didn't like them, and that kind of thing. So let's get started. Let's get started. If you new here, welcome. Hey, let's talk about it. Be my friend. I'm looking for some friends. So hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you have to leave before the video is over, at least say hi and bye. Okay? Thanks so much. So what I use, and I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to pick it up and I'm going to put it back in here. So I usually do my editing at night while I'm in the bed. So I'm going to have to keep it in here so that I can type everything and let you know exactly what I use. It's kind of helpful if you want to go and buy it. So the first thing that I use, my foundation, is the Makeup Revolution, and my color is F13. And then this is the, looking for the name, this is the container. I didn't take my little sticker off of it yet, and I think I got this from, I know I got this from Ulta. So this is it. This is the brush that I use for my, I'm not a brush person, but I have been using this brush because somebody I watched said this is the brush that they use, and so I've had it in my collection, but I never thought it was a foundation brush. I didn't use it as a foundation brush. So this is what I used. This is what I used, the e.l.f. brush, and this is the foundation that I used, okay? I don't know what brush it is. It just says e.l.f., so I don't know the name of it, so you won't see that in the description box. F13 Foundation Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. Okay, to set it, I use the finishing powder in Darkest Deep Finishing Powder by e.l.f. It ain't nothing but a mirror. This is what it looks like. I'm not real fond of this. I may give it one more chance before I say yay or nay. It's a finishing powder. I don't know where I got it from. l.a.colors. I'm sure has it. It just says finishing powder and deepest dark, and that's it. So that's the my eyeshadow palette is the Too Faced Life's a Unicorn, Peace, Love, and Unicorns. Now, I don't like it. I'm going to go ahead on and just put it out there. I'm not going to tease you or pull you along. I don't like this palette. I don't like it. There's nothing about it that I like. I don't like it. And I don't know why I held on to it so long instead of just taking it back when I got it. The colors that I use for this look is Mystic Rain, Fantasy, and Rainbow Life. This color, and I think that's it. I think that's it. And then this is for my brow bone highlight. This was the prettiest one. This was the prettiest one. That's it. Everything else, I did not enjoy using it. This was the corner. I didn't enjoy that. And I did not enjoy this one either. I just didn't enjoy it. The formula is fine. I just did not enjoy it. I would not tell anybody to, I wouldn't tell anybody to purchase it. I don't like it that much. If you like it, Good. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the colors together. Maybe if you take these colors out and you put them inside of another palette, then maybe I could get with it. But what was I thinking? It's a unicorn. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, if you got $30, $40 to waste, 35, 30, whatever, I don't even know how much it costs. If you have that much money to waste, then just, you know, buy yourself a new pair of blue jeans. I did at the end try to mix it up with another color out of another Too Faced palette because I was trying to go ahead on and keep it. This palette I do love. I can get a whole lot of looks out of this palette. So I ended up using the pink. Maybe I hit a little bit of this gray. I don't know. I was so upset that I just didn't like it. So I just didn't like it. So what else I used? My contour, I used out of this Clara Cosmetics, and I used this contour bronzer, matte contour bronze is what it says. I did not like it. I didn't like it. That's all I used out of it. Before I say no and put this in a giveaway, give it to my daughter or something like that, put it in a bag, give it to the Goodwill, because you know I always tell you, if you give it to the Goodwill, then you are responsible for cleaning it. Anybody who shops at the Salvation Army, Goodwill, places like that, you know you take your chance shopping there anyway. So without getting any further ado, I will use this again to give it one more chance, but I did not like it. It was dry looking. It did not give me a good look like my Guerlain or my more Morphe palette. It just didn't do it. It just didn't do it. So I am going to try the shimmer highlight and the shimmer blush. I am going to try that before I say, I'm gonna throw this out and I'm not gonna use it ever again. I'll go ahead on it. You know, I'll give it an honest try. I'll try it. I'll try it. I don't have a lot of hope for it, but I'll try it. The blush that I have on, you can see I have the blush on. I've used this before. I just hadn't used it in a very long time. This was the Bliss. I love it. I probably wouldn't buy it again because this probably will last forever. It's a gradient ombre color. It starts out dark, goes all the way to light. Love it. I would use it again. So that's what I have on now. I put my Bliss foundation in here just in case that Makeup Revolution didn't work. It worked fine. You can see the color is on point. I have no problems with the color. So the primer that I used was the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, hydrating. That's why it's blue. I can't tell because I didn't leave the house. I put the makeup on straight for the video to see if I wanted to move some of this makeup that I have not used, if I wanted to use it, move it into my everyday stash. So I will let you know at the end of everything I used what I will put into my everyday stash and what, you know, I may pick up here and there to see if I'll use it again. But this is the primer that I used. The lip color that I have is by Morphe. Bloodshot is the name of it. The lip liner is Perfect Tone Lip Definer by Black Radiance. I love this. I will definitely put this. Make sure you go down. I would definitely put this in the everyday stash. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. This, I would not. It's okay. I have no complaints about it, except for it's seriously red. And I don't really do a red lip all the time. So, not. I like it, but I'm just not going to use it all the time. This is the Pure Fully Charged mascara.
So I guess this means she still got the head on back.
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know.
You gonna help me out?
I just don't know. My show is getting ready to come on, the have and the have not, so I need to hurry up. I put this e.l.f. Primer in, and I didn't have to use it, so I put that back in there. So the primer that I used, and I did put this up. So the, not primer, I meant to say concealer, highlight concealer under my eyes, here down the bridge of my nose, and here I use the L.a. Color Radiant. This is good. I did. That's what I used. The powder, the setting powder that I used is the Terracotta by Makeup Revolution. The highlighter that I used, and it doesn't say that this is a highlighter. It says matte to glow setting. And I was in the Morphe store, and I saw a girl who looked like maybe this is what she used. I didn't ask her because she looked a lot like a mannequin. And I say that with the best intentions of giving her the best compliment. I was in the Morphe standalone store, and her makeup, she looked like a doll. She looked like a black Barbie doll. But her face was sparkly. Her whole entire face had a radiant illumination. That's not me. That's not the girl that I am. I want to look naturally pretty. She looked like she was maybe an Instagram star, and she did it to take photos. Maybe she did it she worked there, so you never know. But this has such a high concentration of illumination to it. It's very, 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 very soft. It's very thick. It's very thick. This is what it looks like swatched. It's like cotton candy, the color. So once you put this on, you're going to be a little shiny, a little illuminating. It's going to give you a lot of color. I'm going to go ahead on and color the back of my hand, and you're going to be able to see that this is what she looked like. She was very, very pretty, very young girl. Looked very made up, and she had just put this all over. And if you can see that has just enough glimpse and sparkle that you get a little cotton candy look. I can't think of the name that I want to call it, but kind of cotton candy-ish, kind of unicornish, you know. I'm not that girl, but this is good. I may would do that if I was going to a club. You ever see the spotlight shine on somebody and you just get that pretty, pretty, pretty look like that? And I'm holding that up next to my ring light, and you see how that is going back and forth? That's what she looked like. So she probably used something like this. And I think that's basically it. I used my regular e.l.f. liquid liner, and then for my waterline I used the NYX collection matte black liner. I'm not fond of this, but since I spent my money on it, I'm gonna go ahead on and use it. But I'm not fond of it now. I'm not fond of it. So that is everything that I used for my face to get this look. And then I sprayed my face with the Lock-It CoverGirl. I sprayed my face with this. This is worth every dime. Go to CoverGirl, Walmart, any drugstore will have this. So that's what I better put it in here so I can put it on the description box. So that's the look that I have. What would I move into my everyday stash? Let's go ahead on and do that. What I would move into my everyday stash is the blush. I will put the blush in my everyday stash. I would put the Makeup Revolution in my everyday stash. I will put the LA Girl Highlight Concealer in my everyday stash. This is what I set my concealer with. I would not put the Morphe lipstick in my everyday stash, only because I'm not going to wear red lipstick every day. No way, no way, no way. So these two items I would not put in my everyday stash, and that's the e.l.f. finishing powder and then the Clara bronzer. I would not put that in my everyday stash. I didn't like them enough, and I'm not sure that I'm going to recommend them. Not yet. Maybe I'll give it another try. I would marry it with different kinds of makeup, different brands or whatever. So I may would do that. So then that's that. I would not recommend the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. I just wouldn't recommend it. It didn't do what my current favorite is my Buxom. My current favorite is the Buxom, so it didn't do that. It didn't do that, or the e.l.f. I would not put this into my Kevin Aucoin Neo setting powder. I think I got this from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of them. Love to have him in my stash. If I learned how to use this and see how to do it, I'm cleaning it off. If you see I wanted to get them fingerprints off of there. If I learned how to use it and saw some videos about it, then I would. But for right now, no, I would not put this in my everyday stash. So these are my everyday stash items. I will list this separately than the other ones and put it in some sort of order. I am proud of myself for shopping my stash. I'm very proud of myself for shopping my stash and being able to come up with the look that I feel like I would go out in public in. So this is what I did. I'm gonna put it right there. And this is the look. I hope you like it. If you used any of those products, just hit me up in the comment section below. Tell me what you think of any of those products, all of those products. Even tell me what you think of the look. I have thick skin. I can take it. Thank you. Before you leave, before we say bye, before you go on to your journey, please hit that subscribe button. Please do it. Please do it. Thanks so much. While you're on your shopping journey, remember me. I won't be there. I won't be able to meet you there. Will I pick up some things every now and again? Sure. But will I do it like I've done it before? No, ma'am. No, sir. No, ma'am. No, sir. I'm going to tame the dragon. I'm going to tame the dragon. So you pray for me on my journey. And God bless you on yours.